Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the no sound problem on YouTube. If you're playing a video and can't hear anything, don't worry, follow along carefully and this issue should be solved. First, let's start with a quick check. Swipe down your notification bar and make sure Bluetooth is turned off. Sometimes your phone automatically connects to a wireless device or headset, and that's why sound won't play from the speakers. Next, go back to your home screen and open Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Sound and Vibration and tap on it. Now look for the volume section. Here, check that your ringtone, media, and notification volume sliders are all turned up. If they're too low, increase them. This often fixes the issue immediately. Once you've adjusted your volume, go back to the home screen and restart your phone. Just a normal restart is enough. Many times, a simple reboot refreshes the system and brings the sound back. If after restarting the issue still isn't fixed, don't worry, here's the second method. Open the Google Chrome browser on your phone and go to YouTube from there. Now tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find Site Settings and open it. Keep scrolling until you see the sound option. Tap it and make sure sound is enabled. If it was blocked before, this is likely the cause of your problem. After that, go back and scroll down to find the background synchronization option. Tap on it and make sure it's allowed. This ensures YouTube can play audio and keep everything in sync, even when the app runs in the background. Now return to your home screen, open YouTube again, and play a video. By this point, your sound problem should be completely resolved. That's it for today's tutorial. If this guide helped you fix the issue, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below if you faced any challenges, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.